NMN and NR. Nicotinamide, mononucleotide, and nicotinamide riboside are NAD plus precursors, and NAD plus is absolutely critical for cellular energy production and DNA repair. As you age, NAD plus levels decline by roughly 50% by the time you're 40. NMN converts directly into NAD plus in your cells, while NR needs an extra conversion step. Both have shown promising results in animal studies for increasing lifespan and improving metabolic health. Human studies show improvements in insulin sensitivity, muscle function, and cardiovascular health. Dosing for NMN is typically 250 to 1,000 milligrams daily, taken in the morning on an empty stomach. NR is usually 300 to 500 milligrams daily. The main debate is bioavailability. Some research suggests NMN is more effective, while other studies show similar results between the two. Side effects are rare, but can include mild nausea or flushing. Both supplements are expensive, so consistency matters more than megadosing. Resveratrol. This polyphenol found in red wine became famous when studies showed it activates sirtuins, proteins involved in cellular stress resistance and longevity. It's one of the most researched anti-aging compounds available. Resveratrol improves mitochondrial function, reduces inflammation, and may protect against age-related diseases like cardiovascular disease and neurodegeneration. It works synergistically with NAD plus boosters, which is why many longevity protocols combine them. The challenge is bioavailability. Standard resveratrol is poorly absorbed, so you need either high doses or micronized formulations. Typical dosing ranges from 250 to 1,000 milligrams daily, ideally taken with fat for better absorption. Some people experience digestive upset at higher doses. The trans-resveratrol form is what you want, not the cis form. Rapamycin. This prescription medication is the only drug proven to extend lifespan in every organism tested, from yeast to mammals. It works by inhibiting mTOR, a pathway that regulates cell growth and metabolism. Rapamycin improves autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup process, and reduces age-related inflammation. Studies show it can extend lifespan by 10 to 15% in mice, which translates to potentially significant effects in humans. Because it's a prescription drug, dosing requires medical supervision. Longevity-focused doctors typically prescribe 5 to 8 milligrams weekly, much lower than doses used for organ transplants. This intermittent dosing maintains benefits while minimizing immune suppression risks. Side effects at longevity doses are generally mild, but can include mouth sores and slightly elevated blood sugar. It's not something to experiment with casually. Metformin. Originally a diabetes medication, metformin has gained attention in longevity circles because diabetics taking it showed lower rates of age-related diseases and potentially longer lifespans than non-diabetics. Metformin activates AMPK, an enzyme that improves insulin sensitivity and promotes autophagy. It reduces inflammation, improves mitochondrial function, and may slow cellular aging. Large clinical trials are underway to study its anti-aging effects in non-diabetics. Standard longevity dosing is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily with meals. Extended-release formulations reduce digestive side effects, which are the most common complaint. Some people experience vitamin B12 deficiency with long-term use, so supplementation may be necessary. The controversy is whether metformin might blunt some exercise adaptations, though recent research suggests this isn't significant at lower doses. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We're breaking down cutting-edge longevity science every week so you can optimize your health span. Spermidine. This polyamine compound found in wheat germ and aged cheese is one of the most promising autophagy inducers available without a prescription. Spermidine levels decline with age, correlating with decreased cellular cleanup. Studies show spermidine supplementation improves cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and may extend lifespan. A human trial found that higher spermidine intake was associated with reduced mortality from cardiovascular disease and cancer. Dosing is typically 1 to 10 milligrams daily from supplements, though you can also increase intake through diet. Wheat germ is the richest source, followed by aged cheese, mushrooms, and legumes. Side effects are minimal. The compound has an excellent safety profile because it's naturally present in foods humans have consumed for millennia. Fisetin. This flavonoid found in strawberries and apples is a powerful senolytic, meaning it selectively eliminates senescent cells, the zombie cells that accumulate with age and drive inflammation. Senescent cells stop dividing but don't die. They secrete inflammatory factors that damage surrounding tissue. Clearing them has shown remarkable effects in animal studies, improving health span and reducing age-related diseases. Fisetin is poorly absorbed, so high doses are needed. Longevity protocols typically use 100 to 1,000 milligrams daily for several consecutive days. then cycle off for weeks or months. Some people do this quarterly as a senolytic cleanse. It's generally well tolerated, though high doses might cause digestive upset. Taking it with fat improves absorption significantly. Quercetin, another senolytic flavonoid found in onions, apples, and berries. Quercetin is often combined with dasatinib in research protocols for maximum senescent cell clearance, though dasatinib requires prescription access. Beyond its senolytic properties, quercetin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It stabilizes mast cells, which can help with allergies, and improves endothelial function for better cardiovascular health. Standard dosing is 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, or higher doses for senolytic protocols. Like fisetin, absorption improves when taken with fat or paired with vitamin C. It's safe for most people, but can interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, so check with your doctor if you're on prescriptions. Alpha-ketoglutarate. AKG is a crucial intermediate in the Krebs cycle, your cell's energy production system. Levels decline dramatically with age, and supplementation has shown life-extending effects in animal models. A human study found that calcium alpha-ketoglutarate supplementation reduced biological age by an average of 8 years based on DNA methylation patterns. It also improved various health markers and physical performance. Typical dosing is 300 to 1,000 milligrams daily of calcium AKG. The calcium-bound form is better absorbed than free AKG. Most people take it in the morning on an empty stomach. Side effects are rare and generally limited to mild digestive discomfort when starting at higher doses. Taurine. This amino acid declines by up to 80% between youth and old age. Recent research published in Science showed that taurine supplementation extended both lifespan and health span in multiple animal models. Taurine improves mitochondrial function, reduces cellular senescence, protects telomeres, and decreases DNA damage. It's also critical for cardiovascular health, brain function, and muscle performance. Dosing ranges from 500 to 3,000 milligrams daily. The longevity studies used relatively high doses of around 1,000 milligrams per day. It's incredibly safe with virtually no side effects even at high doses. Taurine is found in energy drinks, but the amounts are too low for longevity benefits, and the other ingredients in energy drinks undermine health. Glycine. This simple amino acid becomes conditionally essential as you age because your body can't produce enough. Glycine is a building block of collagen, supports glutathione production, and improves sleep quality. Studies show glycine supplementation improves metabolic health, reduces inflammation, and may extend lifespan through multiple pathways. It's also one of the cheapest and safest supplements available. Typical dosing is 3 to 10 grams daily, often split between morning and before bed. Many people notice improved sleep quality within days. Some longevity enthusiasts take up to 15 grams daily with no issues. The only side effect is that some people find the sweet taste unpleasant when mixed with water. Capsules solve this, but require more pills. The stack approach. The most effective longevity protocols don't rely on a single supplement, but strategically combine multiple compounds targeting different aging pathways. A foundational stack might include NMN or NR for NAD+ support, resveratrol for sirtuin activation, and basic nutrients like vitamin D, K2, and magnesium. More advanced protocols add senolytics like fisetin quarterly, plus daily taurine and glycine. The key is consistency. Longevity isn't about heroic doses. It's about sustainable daily practices over years and decades. Blood work every 6 months helps track biological markers and adjust protocols. If you want more evidence-based longevity content and optimization strategies, subscribe now. We're cutting through the hype to give you actionable science you can actually use to extend your health span. Remember that supplements are just one piece. Sleep, exercise, stress management, and diet remain foundational. No supplement can overcome a fundamentally unhealthy lifestyle. Use these tools intelligently as part of a comprehensive approach to aging well.